In this video, you will learn how to change the width of the column in Microsoft Excel. Currently, I am interested to change the width of this column. So firstly, I will select this column. I will explain to the method. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. First method is applicable when you have exact value or dimension about that particular column. For example, I have exact values or dimension about this column. I have selected this one by clicking on here. After doing that, place your cursor here, right click, and you will find the option of column width. Select this one and you can easily enter the value here. For example, I will write 25. After that, click on OK. Now you can see here the width of column is changed now. You can also apply this method for multiple columns as well. For example, I am interested to change the width of column B, C and D. I will select all these three columns. Now place your cursor here, right click, and you will find the option of column width. Select this one. When you select this one, a pop-up window will be appeared like this one. Write your value here. I will write 30. After doing that, click on OK. Now you can see here the width of all these three columns is changed now. Now I will explain second method. Second method is applicable when you don't have exact values. I will click here. Now I am interested to change the width of column B. Select this one. Now you can see here I have selected this column B by clicking on here. Place your cursor at the corner. Now you can see here a plus sign appear with double arrows. Now you can move it in left or right direction. For example, if I move it here, you can see here a box appeared here which shows the dimensions. If I move it here, then the width will be increased. You can see here the width is increased now. If you are interested to reduce the width, again select this column, place your cursor here, and one plus sign with double arrow appeared here. Move it in opposite direction. You can see here the width is reduced now. So by doing so, you can easily increase or decrease the column width. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.